Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get auto captions for free in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, what you have to do is you have to import your video or audio in the CapCut you want to add the free captions for, and then you have to select it, and now you just have to scroll through these options and you will see this text option. You have to tap on this text and then you can see there are a lot of options here, but we want to go for this auto captions here, and then you will see this kind of window. First of all, you have to select the language here. I'm going for this English here, and then go back, and now you have to choose the source like generate from all videos or voiceover. I'm going for this voiceover, and then you have to select the template here. As you can see, these are all the templates we can use. Some are for pro version and some of you can use easily for in free version as well. Let's say I'm going for this one. Just select this template and then you just have to simply tap on this generate, and you can see it's generating captions. So you just have to wait a little bit until CapCut is doing his work. And now if you scroll your video, you can see the captions are done. And that's how we can get free auto captions in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.